Hey there, it's me. Today, we are going to talk about one of my favorite gluten-free pasta options out there, lentil pasta. I mean, it packs a punch in both flavor and protein. So, let's get started. Hey there. Welcome to this channel where we educate you about different special diets, including gluten-free, keto, vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and more, so that you can make healthier lifestyle choices. I'm your host, and today we are diving into the world of high-protein pasta. We're talking about one of my personal favorites, lentil pasta. Whether you're a dedicated low-gluten eater or just looking to add some variety to your meals, lentil pasta is definitely something to consider. Let's explore the amazing benefits, recipes, and everything else you need to know about this powerhouse ingredient. Now let's talk about the main attraction, lentil pasta. What exactly makes lentil pasta so great? Well, it's simple. Lentils are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients while being naturally gluten-free. For those following a low-gluten diet, finding delicious and satisfying pasta alternatives can be challenging. But thanks to modern advancements in gluten-free technology, we now have an array of options to choose from. Among these options, lentil pasta stands out as a fantastic choice. It offers a unique combination of taste and nutrition that's hard to resist. Plus, its gluten-free nature makes it accessible to a wider range of consumers. In recent years, the demand for gluten-free products has skyrocketed, and it's no wonder why. More and more people are becoming aware of the potential health benefits of reducing gluten intake, not to mention the rising popularity of plant-based diets. Lentil pasta perfectly caters to this growing market by providing a nutritious and convenient meal option without the use of wheat or other gluten-containing grains. This has led to increased availability and accessibility of lentil pasta in supermarkets. Major grocery chains now carry a variety of lentil pasta shapes and sizes, making it easier than ever for consumers to incorporate this superfood into their weekly meals. The convenience and familiarity of having pasta-like noodles made from lentils have made lentil pasta a hit among consumers. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. Whether you prefer classic pasta dishes like spaghetti and meatballs or something more creative, lentil pasta can be used to create endless culinary masterpieces. You can toss it with your favorite sauce, blend it with vegetables, or even use it as a soup thickener. The possibilities are truly endless. Speaking of flavor, lentil pasta has a unique taste that sets it apart from traditional pasta. Its earthy and nutty flavor profile adds a new dimension to your meals, making each bite both satisfying and enjoyable. While some may initially find the taste of lentil pasta to be different from what they are accustomed to, it's hard not to fall in love with its distinct taste once you give it a try. Now, let's delve deeper into the texture of lentil pasta. How does it compare to traditional pasta? And how does it hold up to different cooking methods? Lentil pasta typically has a firmer texture compared to conventional pasta made from wheat. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prefer a more substantial noodle. When cooked properly, lentil pasta is al dente and chewy without being mushy. It can handle heavier sauces and toppings without becoming soggy, ensuring that every bite is both flavorful and satisfying. Lentil pasta is not just a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. It offers a plethora of health benefits that make it a great choice for those looking to improve their diet. Let's take a closer look at the key nutrients and advantages of incorporating lentil pasta into your meals. First, let's discuss the protein content of lentil pasta. As you may already know, lentils are one of the best plant-based sources of protein. By using lentils as the primary ingredient, lentil pasta provides a fantastic alternative for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. The protein in lentil pasta is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes, and supporting overall bodily functions. It's a great option for individuals who want to increase their protein intake without relying on animal products. Lentil pasta is also rich in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making it ideal for those watching their weight. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation. It helps keep you satiated for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management. One of the standout features of lentil pasta is its low gluten content. Unlike traditional pasta made from wheat, lentil pasta is naturally gluten-free. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye that can cause digestive issues and other health problems for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. With lentil pasta, individuals with gluten-related disorders can enjoy a pasta-like dish without worrying about adverse reactions. This makes it a great option for those who need to avoid gluten, as well as for those who want to reduce their gluten intake for other health reasons. Now let's talk about the glycemic index. The glycemic index, GI, measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Lentil pasta has a low GI, which means it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. This is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels. The slow-digesting carbohydrates in lentil pasta are broken down gradually, providing a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. In addition to its nutritional benefits, lentil pasta also offers some unique characteristics that set it apart from other pasta options. First, it has a beautiful color. Lentil pasta often has a rich, deep color that adds visual appeal to your meals. The earthy hues of green, brown, or red can make your pasta dishes more enticing and Instagram-worthy. Not only does it look good, but the color also indicates the presence of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in the lentils. Another characteristic of lentil pasta is its ability to hold sauces and toppings. The firm texture of lentil pasta allows it to capture and hold on to sauces and toppings more effectively than traditional pasta. This means that with every bite you take, you get a perfect blend of flavors and textures, making your meal more enjoyable. Whether you're serving a chunky tomato sauce or a creamy pesto, lentil pasta ensures that the flavors come together in perfect harmony. While many people can enjoy lentil pasta without any modifications, there are a few things to keep in mind if you're looking to maximize its benefits. First, it's important to choose high-quality organic lentils when preparing lentil pasta. Organic lentils are grown without the use of harmful pesticides or herbicides, ensuring that you're consuming a purer and more wholesome product. Look for lentils that are free from additives, preservatives, and other unnecessary ingredients. The quality of the lentils will directly impact the taste and texture of your final dish. Cooking lentil pasta properly is also crucial to achieving the best results. Follow the package instructions carefully to determine the cooking time and water ratio. Overcooking the pasta can result in a mushy texture, while undercooking it can make it hard and chewy. To prevent sticking, it's also important to stir the pasta occasionally during cooking. Once cooked, you can toss it with your favorite sauce or toppings and serve it immediately. If you're looking for inspiration in the kitchen, there are plenty of delicious recipes featuring lentil pasta that you can try. Start by cooking some lentil pasta and then toss it with a pesto sauce for a flavorful and nutritious meal. You can also mix it with roasted vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini for added flavor and nutrition. If you're a fan of spice, try tossing your lentil pasta with a spicy arrabbiata sauce for a fiery kick. Or, if you prefer something creamy, opt for a basil or tomato cream sauce for a rich and indulgent meal. No matter your taste preferences, there's a lentil pasta recipe out there for everyone to enjoy. So, there you have it. A fantastic high-protein pasta option that's great for low-gluten diets. I mean, lentil pasta. Whether you're looking to increase your protein intake, reduce gluten consumption, or simply explore new culinary possibilities, lentil pasta is definitely worth giving a try. With its combination of taste, texture, and nutrition, it's no wonder why lentil pasta has become a go-to choice for many health-conscious individuals. So why not add some lentil pasta to your next grocery list and get creative in the kitchen? Your taste buds will thank you. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for joining us and learning about lentil pasta, a fantastic high-protein pasta option that's perfect for those looking to reduce their gluten intake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our informative videos. We would love to have you join our community of health-conscious individuals on a journey towards better eating habits and a healthier lifestyle.